Hey guys, happy Thursday. We got a vintage kit to look at. This is 1999 Monogram 1/48 scale Gus Grissom Memorial Combo with 2 collector patches. But it did not come with any decal or any instructions. I might have to wing it. So let's take a look. Here's our first patch in very good shape. Mercury 4 Liberty Bell. It's in very good shape. I'll have to say that might be worth putting on a hat or my biker vest. Okay, here's the Grissom Young GT3 Molly Brown patch. Once again, it's in very decent shape for its age. So I paid $10 for this kit. To me, the patches alone are worth that. Here's our decals, and they are mint, which is very surprising. Alright, here's one tree. Looks like some landing gear. Now they told me this wasn't, they didn't think it was complete, so I don't know. But I don't think I'm going to build it. Not really sure, unless I can find instructions online. Okay, here's the crew quarters. Parts of the ship. Here's part of the capsule. One of the bases. Assuming these are one of the rocket engines. Here's one of our astronauts. Another part of the capsule. This looks to be the top of the capsule on the left. Interior part. Looks like the tip for the capsule on the right. A lot of loose parts, so bear with me. Here's a crew deal. I assume for the other one, he sits in there like that. Another part of the capsule. Piece of equipment. Not really sure what that is. This could be maybe the bottom. Lots of loose parts in here. I assume this is to make windows, if you want to put windows in it. Another piece, I'm not sure what that's for. And these two little pieces, I think, are for the one capsule. So here's the bottom of it. Another stand, two more pilots. I assume this is to build the main capsule. And these little ones I have must build the little one that is on the right side. I'm really going to hope I can find instructions. Yeah, just neat old kit. Like I said, I think to me the patches were worth the price of it. But I think I've got enough. It certainly looks like I've got enough to build both capsules. It seems that way anyway. But if I can't find instructions, then I just won't build it. I'll keep it in a box. Here's this side, there's the capsule, there's the second one. A little bit of information on the other side. It's skill level 2. I mean, I've been building models long enough, I can probably wing it without instructions, I would hope. Detailed Mercury and Gemini capsules with opening hatches. Authentic NASA decal markings. But yeah, cool kit for 10 bucks. Not going to complain at all for that. And like I said, the fact that the decals are mint is shocking. Once again, here's the two patches. And who knows, these patches could be worth something. I don't know. Probably not, but you never know. Once again, that's a look at the Gus Grissom Memorial Combo from Monogram from 1999. Very cool. Says right there, 1999 Breville Monogram. Alright, you guys have a great rest of your day. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. Hit that like button and leave a comment. And I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.